Hey y'all, what's poppin'? What's been going on? I'm starting this off, I jump straight into what I'm doing. So I'm priming my face. I'm actually doing something that this girl on TikTok said. It's not like a new makeup hack, but it's something that I've never tried before, so that's what I'm doing. I'm applying my powder. I'll try and find the video of the girl that I guess started that little TikTok hack trend, whatever. So you use a primer, then you set your face, then you spray your face, and then you go back in with another primer. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just doing it real quick, just showing you guys. And like I said, I'll try and plug it in later on. Don't judge me. I know this foundation shade is not quite, it doesn't look like it's quite right. That's because it's not. I'm terrible at choosing my colors right, especially when I'm doing it online. But it did match my chest and a little bit of my neck, so it ended up working out, especially with the concealer going on. So don't judge me. I'm gonna get it together one day with that, okay? I'm gonna recognize that I'm not as dark as I wish I was, but whatever. So now I'm going in with the Jackieaina palette. Couldn't decide what I wanted. As you can see, I was very indecisive, but I chose my color, and now I'm going in with my transition shade. This is supposed to be like a soft peachy pinky eye look. As you will see, I kind of had to just go with the flow. I really didn't know what I was doing, but I was just going with whatever. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty palette, and I chose that color right there, which I don't know the name of, but everything will be in the description bar if I can find it, as per usual. So I'm going in and putting that in my outer corner and taking it kind of in. So this is going to be like a cut crease, as you can probably see from the title. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but it's going to be like a cut crease glitter look. So I'm taking that in probably about halfway in to my, where my crease should be, but it's non-existent. Okay, I've got hooded lids, so it's non-existent. I have to create one because I have hooded lids. So that's what I'm doing. And of course, what am I doing? Blending, honey, blending. So let's keep on blending, which I go in and do that often. If you're looking to have your look well blended, you're gonna pack on color, blend it out, and pack it on again, and do it over and over and over again. But listen, if the makeup comes out good, who cares how many times you have to do it, okay? You're just gonna have to make that time. Sacrifice, honey, sacrifice. Okay, so now I'm going in. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm just talking. Now I'm going in with another color. So this color was getting a little too purpley on the purple side, and I know I just had a purple video, so I was like, okay, I've got to figure out a way to fix this. That's why you see me going in with all of these pinks. I went in with that orange color. I'm trying to tone it back down and bring it back to more of a neutral pink color, so that I can put this lid color that I wanted to do. Now this part right here, oh my goodness, y'all will see the struggle. I was struggling, okay? And let me tell you why. Because I was using the wrong brush. This brush that I'm using, first of all, I wasn't at my own place, so the brushes that I had were limited. And this was just one that I picked out. I don't know why, because I had a smaller brush that I could use. I usually like to use detailed small brushes when I'm doing my cut crease, because it just makes it so much easier. It does not take more time when you have a small detailed brush, but it makes your cut crease come out even better. So you will see I am struggling in this. I thought I was doing good. I thought my eyes matched, then I messed up, right there I messed up. And then, it's just like eyeliner. When you mess up, you want to try and fix it, and it just gets worse. That's what this was doing. But thank God I was doing glitter in the crease, so I kind of was able to conceal and cover that. So now I'm going in, of course, jamming. So it's not a video of mine if it doesn't have me jamming, okay? It's not. So now I'm going in and kind of redefining that that cut that I made, putting the shadow back in it to kind of strengthen the color. And then I'll go in again, as you will see later on, to add that concealer again, to cut it just one more time, just to kind of make it pop and define it even more. But I didn't want to lose all of that color, pigment, whatever you want to call it. So now I went in with another brush and then flattened it out, but it was still not right. Like I still could not get it right. You know, you're always gonna have those days. Some makeup days your makeup's gonna turn out bomb and with no problems, no issues, just smooth like butter. And then some days you just gonna struggle. Like my eyes were struggling this day, okay? Struggling. So here I'm still trying to fix it, trying to have both eyes match, but sometimes like I don't even care. Both eyes are not gonna match because both eyes are not the same, okay? One may be a little bit lazy that day, okay, and just not be as poppin', open, you know? So now I'm going in with this beautiful, so the way that it looks in the palette is totally different from the way that it looks on my eye. It could be because of my skin tone, but on the palette it looks like a neutral, like kind of like a flesh tone color, but it came more off as a peachy pinky color. So that's what I did to, I used on my lid, and then I tried to be extra and go in with an extra color, just to put in the middle to mix it kind of like a ombre lid, you know. So that's what I'm doing. I put that color in, and then I'm going to mix the shade that I have on my outer lid and the shade that I put on my inner lid, and mix those two with the shade that I put in the middle, if that makes any sense to you guys. Then I'm gonna go in with this beautiful Urban Decay glitter liner, and I'm going to put that in where I carved out my crease. And honey, it's popping. Don't judge my lashes. Like, listen, this was a struggle day, but I'm showing you guys the realness, okay? The realness. I think I put my lashes on the wrong eyes, so one of them is just like not it. I'm finishing with some mascara. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was a very short look, because you know my videos can run long, but this is a very short look, and this is the finished look that I recorded hours later because I had forgotten to end with this. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like if you liked the video. Make sure you comment below. Let me know what you guys have been doing through all of the stuff that's going on in the world right now, and subscribe. I have an exciting announcement. Well, it's exciting for me. So I will see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.